Okay, so good morning and good evening and good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back in today's class. Okay, so today we are going to be discuss about the service. What I can say, portal. Uh, so let it be open and put LNG here. So now, if I go here in the catalog, how these things are appearing? These are called the catalog items. These things are catalog items. So let's start creating our catalog item. Okay, there are two things. Number one, we can create the catalog category and item via maintain terminologies, maintain catalog, maintain category, and maintain item. And the other way is we can do it via catalog builder. So today we are trying to be complete our one thing that is called the via maintain category. Okay, so let me start that part. So go here and then put the maintain catalog. Okay. So now we will build our catalog here. New and title, let's say training is my catalog. So for today, your homework is that you have to create 2 or 3 catalogs, category, and then items. Okay. Who is the manager of this catalog? Let's say Rajesh is manager of this catalog. Who is the editor? Let's say Namrata is the editor. Namrata, your account is not there. Let me put my name then. Leave it. So you can put it here. Okay. Enable wish list. We'll pick up little later. Not required as of now. Then you can put description that why it is be there. You can put the background color if you want to make a change. If you want to put any image. These are the cosmetic one. I'm not worried about these things. These are the cosmetics one. Okay. Now I click on the submit. My catalog is here. Now if I go here, why my catalog is not appearing here? Anyone has any idea? Why it is not appearing here? Yes, Namrata, why it's not appearing here? Catalog. We created the catalog, right?
Add to the portal.
Where?
Mm,
Where? Rajesh, where to add?
Not sure, I missed yesterday's class.
Okay, no problem. So Namrata says add to the portal. So for this, it means I'll go here and open the service portal.
page editor. Okay.
Page editor. Are you sure?
Either designer or page.
Okay. No, don't go this much far. Let's open this learn and grow. If you go here and scroll down, in the bottom you will get a catalog. Because you're not adding on page, you're adding on the catalog home only. So what I'll do, I'll go and click on the edit. And let me get the training here. Let me add the technical catalog as well. I want to be find out answers from you. Okay, done. Save. Done and reload. Now tell me why training is not appearing here. Namrata, why training is not appearing here? You says Atul add it in the portal. I edit it. I added 3. I added technical. Sorry, I added 2. Technical and the training. Technical is appearing. But why training is not appearing? Trevor, why the training is not appearing as a catalog here? Pooja, why it is not appearing? Go on the basics. I'm not asking technically. I'm asking on the basics and the roots point. Yes, tell me. Chalo, theek hai. Let's go one more step. Okay, but the question still remains same. So now we have a catalog. Under this, we will create the category. So we'll go maintain category like this way. Okay, we'll go here. And now I'll get a category here. So remember what output I'm expecting. I'm saying I have a training as a catalog. Under training, I have a category as a admin. I'll say as a admin and as a functional. Then under admin, I want SN. Under functional, I want. So we have built this part and now we're building this and this. Okay, so title is admin. Under which catalog you want to show. Now I'll give one more example. When we go in a restaurant which has a drinks as well, they serve us the 2 catalogs. One is for the food and one is for the drinks. If you go any 5-star, 7-star, they give 3 or 4 catalogs. Like we are here only for the reading, not for the eating. Okay, so here we have to mention that under which catalog you want to show this. I want to show this admin under the training catalog, which I created. Location, I'm not sure what they said location, that any specific location you want to put it. Not sure why they introduce this concept here. And then description, images, you can put it. It's a cosmetic one. I'm not bothered on that part. Chalo, click submit. One category done. Let me get the second category. Okay, same training and click on the submit. So now let's come to again on the portal page and reload this page. Okay, page has been reloaded again. Let me reload again. Still the training catalog is not appearing. Why? Rajesh, why? It's not about ServiceNow. Now it's about the basic fundamentals. Trevor, why? It's not appearing.
I think the rising star only can answer this.
No. I want you to become a rising star. I want you to also become the rising star. And it's nothing that is the thing. He's saving himself by saying this. He's saving himself. Okay. Now I'll give you an example. Okay. Yeah. Let's say Rajesh going to a dinner with family today. Okay. A good hotel, 5-star hotel. He's going. He reached there. The waiter or the guard welcome in a good format. He get his table as well. He sit there. Then the waiter came and give the 2 menu cards. Menu cards are nothing. These are called the catalogs only. Okay. Rajesh is starting reading that menu card. He's with family, so definitely no drinks, but he want to start with the starters. So it has a few categories: starter, main course, desserts, juice, cakes, and kids section as well. In the starter, he found Chinese, Thai, Italian, and Korean. Now tell me one thing. What is the important point in this category? If you remember the yesterday example, if I want to order something, will I order a catalog? Will I order a category, or will I order an item?
Item.
Item. Then if item is required, then why you're not saying, Atul, these 2 categories still don't have an item in the ServiceNow? By bringing the category on the portal, what I'm going to serve to the customer? Let's say same example in the starter. Here Rajesh found a category called the Chinese, but under that there is no item to be ordered. And the first point Rajesh says, hey, why you guys mention this category when you don't have any item under that? That is the reason our catalog is not appearing in the portal. Now let's go here and build one item. I go here, click on the new. So let's say admin, I have a SN basics. Okay, under which catalog you want to put? I want to bring on the training. Under training, which category you want to build? I have 2 categories now, admin or functional. I say admin. And here, for a time being, don't worry about the states and checked out. Put the description here. SN basic course, and I copy paste in the description as well. Submit. Now come here and reload. And now you will be surprised that our catalog also appearing. See. Now the question comes to only one category is appearing. Same fundamental. Because the other category don't have any item to show. Then there's no need or no purpose to show them on the portal to the users. And now if I click on the admin, I will see my SN basics. If I click on the SN basics, there's nothing, blank form, because I did not design it till now. Now you mention In the Chinese mention noodles. There's a no pricing, no ingredients, nothing has been mentioned. Here, what I found interesting in UK, if you go and want to buy something, if you want to go and eat something on the restaurants, they mention a lot of things under the item. This item contain this thing, and if you have allergy, then please check the items mentioned in the bold, because here people have a problem, the allergy problem very lot. So they mentioned that, like, even though if I bring any small biscuits box at home, that also contain the what ingredient it's contain. So now our form is blank, our item is blank. It is not possible for Rajesh or to everybody call to it and ask, hey, what is this noodles include? It means they have to be write something. So now we will decorate our item. We will send this item to the beauty parlor and we'll make it as the beautiful. But the basic fundamental, the basic root, we got it. Why it is not appearing? Because it does not it was not containing any item in the bucket. We can modify these things as well. We can remove, we can add. Now let's do some designing part here. Listen, basic. So the form you're able to see, it is called the catalog item. We will make a changes via catalog builder as well. I'll show you on the Monday that how it can be used. It is just a replica of this, but the front end has been different. Or let's go to there only, because nowadays companies are using the catalog builder. Okay, let's click on the edit in the catalog builder. It's good. Now number one point is that it's look bad because it has no information, no images. So let's go here. So it has a 5 or 6 steps: detail, location, question, settings, access, fulfillment, and the review. So this is my basic part. Now I'll put it here. Let me put something lower some. क्या कहता है? Dummy text. This one. It's called the dummy text. Okay, so let's use this thing now, something in our this part. Okay. If you want, you can add the table as well, like this. If you want, you can do some coloring as well. So you can do, if you want, you can do anything to show to the customer. So like if I say, if I go here and open this again and go to the catalog, browse by category and open this. It's look good. Atul, it's a good photo. So you can also put, try this part. But what about these? These are not the description. These are the questions you're going to be asked. So now if you've done this part, then you can click on the content location. What location means? Where you want to show this catalog item. Now, if you notice, water is a catalog item which you can find out in the main course, which you can find out in the drinks as well. It means one item at 2 places. So you can add that I want to show this catalog item under the two catalogs and the two categories. You can do it. But what is the purpose of showing the same thing in the two places? You have to be discuss the, or we have to be get the business value for this part. Now, third point, it is important. If I come here, this third point, questions. And these questions can be vary from catalog item to catalog item. Like if you're ordering the noodles, shall I mention that what is the monthly consumption of the noodles? No, I'll put what type of noodle you want. Veg, with egg, with chicken, what type of noodles you want. But if you buy a phone, you will not ask about the noodles, right? So we are going to define some questions here. Catalog builder is a new module, not sorry, it's not a module. It's a new interface has been built by ServiceNow, I guess in the last 2 or 3 releases only. And they're saying use this because the front end is very good. Okay, now question. We have a concept called the question set. In this area, if I go to the maintain item, we have a concept called the variable and the variable set. Let me tell you what is the meaning here. Now, let's say Rajesh Namrata is going to open a college. Okay, they said, yeah, let's do some collaboration and let's open a college. Now for the students, they have to fill the form. For the faculty, they have to fill the form to get the admission, to get the job. Things will be there, right? Now, if you notice, either it is a student or either it is a faculty. Few fields are common on the form. Name, father name, gender, age, marriage status, address, email, phone number. These are the common fields. So in this case, what you do, you create a standard format which contains these 7 or 8 fields. And tomorrow, if you're going to print any new form, you said, guys, use this format. That is called the variable set. It means when you put a different variables in a box, in a container, which can be used anywhere as it is, then go for the variable set. But if you think that there is a variable which is specific to that particular item, then create a different variable, not a variable set. Let's say if any faculty is appearing for the interview, in his or her form, it is required to be get information that are you UGC or NET qualified. But for the student, it is not required. So that is a variable. This is a question I found on the community. That person says that I'm using a variable set that includes 7 fields. I want to change a behavior of only one field in a one catalog item for a specific condition. People are smart. Developers are smart. They're giving the answer that you can do this thing, you can do this thing, you can do this thing. But I'm a dumb guy. I don't have a coding knowledge. So I put my question very clearly. That why you want to manipulate the one variable nature or the working only in one specific catalog item for a specific condition. If this is the case, you are violating the basic fundamental of variable set. I give you one more example to understand this more detail. Namrata, you have a kid, right? Or Rajesh? Anybody who has a kid of bit less than 3 or 4 years?
I don't have.
Okay. So let's say Namrata is replying. I guess yes.
Yes, I have 3 month
Okay.
old.
3 months old. Good. So now if Namrata need to be travel anywhere with his family, so she has a ready-made or she has a bag pack for her kid. It includes few diapers. It includes 1 or 2 pair of fresh clothes. It includes the basic medicines. It includes extra bottle for maybe or the sipper or maybe I can say a small cup. It includes a feeder. It includes some cleaning utensils to cleaning stuff for cleaning this part and some tissues paper. Now till the age of 3 to 4 years, that box, that bag is Namrata's variable set. Or not at least 4 years, at least for the next 1 year, this bag is fixed. She cannot pull out anything out of this bag. Because till the age of 1, kids don't know that if they'll be getting pee or poo, they should tell it. Damn it. So that is called the variable set. But when the kid going to be age of 4 or 5, the components of bag is getting changed. Maybe after 4 years, the concept of bag is over. Because if you're going very far, you have a backpack. If you're going very little, you just ask your kid, hey, just fill your water bottle and keep it with you. And then it become a variable, not a variable set. So this is the purpose of having the quotient and the quotient set here. So you can put a quotient set, or if you want, you can put the normal quotient as well. So normal quotient if you want to put, and also you want to put single column or 2 column. I said 2 column. Okay. Let's say profile details. Okay. So now I have this point. Click here. New question. Yes. What type of question you have? So now what type of question this says? Drop down. Yes, no, right? Same thing we can do. Text, option, choices, date and display. I said option. Question subtype, yes, no or checkbox. You cannot ask in the gender as a checkbox. You are male, female or transgender. You will say yes or no. So I said yes or no. Okay, good. See the preview is appearing here. What is the question label? I said yes and name. Question label is for the user. Name is for the backend developers. Do you want to make it mandatory? Yes. See the preview. This is what the magic you're getting in the catalog builder. Now create a choice. Because as of now it's appearing yes or no. Do you want to include none? I said no. Okay, no problem. So it's showing none as of now. I said no, I don't want a none. According to the default value, any default value you want? I said no, no default value I want to put it. Annotation, if you want to show something, show instructions. Select yes or no. Okay, but I'm looking for my choices as well. Why I'm not able to get the choices? Let me insert the question. Let's see. Oh, that's fine. It's a we are selecting yes or no. Sorry, it's fine. So now I can click on the preview. So how it will be look like on the portal, the complete catalog item. It will look like this. Experience, yes or no. How it will look like on the mobile app. So it will look like this only. And on the virtual agent, it will look like this only. Like this, it will be appear for them. Okay, now let's close this preview as well. Question set. So let's say I want to put a question set like IT to IT. I'm not sure that what question they mentioned, but I'm putting it just for my purpose. Okay. If you want more questions, you can insert a new question and you can put it as a text, as an option, as a choice, anything you want to put, you can put it. So you can try this part at your side. Nothing is a big deal here. Now the settings. See to continue to settings. Settings says the appearance of these things. These. What you want to show, what you don't want to be shown. Number one, you can rename it to order now to the request or submit. I want to appear as a request. Okay. I want to hide add to cat option. I want to hide add to wish list. So you can make it these things true and false easily. Hide the delivery time, hide the attachment button. Okay. Once you've done this part, let me go to the access. Who can access? It is very important point. Now tell me, or I'll give an example. In our official portals, there are some things which I cannot see, but my manager can see. Why? Because he has a access for this, but I don't have access for this. Right? So how this thing is coming? This is coming from a concept called the available and available for and not available for. So like if I show you something here, this is our regular attendance sheet, right? If I share this sheet with you, you can see only agenda. You can see the attendance and 2 or more extra sheets. So I said, who are my students can access this sheet in my laptop. But if you are my family member, then you can see another sheet available in this that is called the master conference, which includes some financial details as well. So this is what is coming here. Available for means who can access this catalog item. You can browse it here. So how this work in ServiceNow? See, I cannot put one person or one by one everybody's name. So what we do, we create a group for this. So what our companies do, if your designation is manager, then you can see this catalog item. If your designation is director, you can see these catalog items. If your designation is senior engineer, you can see these catalog items. So by this way we can do. So these are the different groups they created, and they have a different conditions in that. So like this thing, if I say ITIL user is there or not, no, there is no ITIL user. Let me scroll down. There it says a user who has a ITIL role can see this, not anyone else. If a user has an admin role, only see this, no anybody else. So if I say admin, I don't want these things. Only with the admin. Save this thing. Now not available for who cannot see. If you want to mention, you can mention. So in this case, if you mention here, only the users of this role can see. Here the important point is that if you did not okay. What happened, guys? Anybody's doing something or what? Oh, next. Fulfillment. Fulfillment means to execute the complete process. To execute the complete process, I need to build the workflow. So if I go here in the maintain item, there is a concept called the process engine. Okay. Your today's homework is opposite. You have to do everything in the maintain item. I'm showing you in the catalog builder, you have to do in the maintain item. Okay, everything can be done. Your item details, this process engine, this pictures you can put, pricing you can put, portal you can do it, which is mandatory, not mandatory, everything you can do it easily. Now let's come to the process engine. So ServiceNow give three type of process executions. Number one is called the execution plan, the oldest one, very oldest. And this is what good about ServiceNow. If they want, they can decommission this execution plan, but they did not decommission this concept. Why? Because ServiceNow say there are few companies who are still
Is it from my side that I'm not able to hear anything?
I also lost it.
Okay.
way to execute your. I'm disconnecting or what, guys? In between, I'm getting this ring tone very.
Screen is getting freezed and we can't hear you.
Oh, maybe now it's fine, right?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Be some network flip in between. Okay. So now workflow means, sorry, workflow is the second latest way to automate your process. Okay, so we are using workflow as of now. A lot of companies are using workflow as of now, but ServiceNow say that there are some drawbacks in the workflow. So use the flow. Flow is the latest one. So like we have a catalog builder, in the same manner we have a flow as well. In our next class, that is on Monday, we are going to be discuss about these things. So don't skip the next class. Connection lost. Again, you guys lost me, right?
I mean, I can hear you right now and see your screen.
Yep, I'm not sure that why it's be fluctuating a lot. Okay, so now if you see that, let me open my dashboard here. So this is what the latest we need to be published. But see, it is not published as of now. If you see, it's showing as a red color. Why? Because it contain the, it does not contain any kind of a flow execution. So what happened now? Let's say if a user go here and click on this submit, then what next should happen? System says I have no information about the same, so I cannot publish. So let's say same thing. Rajesh order the noodles, and waiter just write the word noodle, and he did not bring it. The reason? Because he don't know that in the kitchen which chef is going to make it for the customer. So we have to be define the flow execution in this part. Let me show you here. So this is not completed as of now. Let it be load. So this part is not completed. So what I will do, because come on, again it's fluctuating. Here and now I have to be, if I cancel it, what will happen? Are you sure you want to cancel this checkout? These changes will be made and the checkout will be lost. Okay, let me try why it's saying this. this page. You can read this item as it is checked out for the editing the catalog builder. Cancel checkout. Yes. Unable to cancel the checkout. Let me do this part. It's not allowing me to make a checkout from there. I have any option here? No, I have no option here. Details, location, previews, submit. Let me do it now. If I can make any changes. Yes. So now I can make a change here. So I'll go here and change the workflow to the, change the execution plan to the workflow or flow. As of now, we in the training did not get any workflow or the see.
I think you're breaking a lot in between, Atul. Maybe.
Yes. I know, Rajesh. Not sure that why it's be giving a problem to me, even though my connection is. Okay, let's do one thing, guys. Here, I'm not sure that why it's creating a problem. Okay, let's just put this part here, and then I am selecting a normal workflow, and let me save it. Okay, now if I go in the catalog builder and reload my page, in this part, come on, acha, save one. Yeah, okay, let me save it first, otherwise it will not allow. Okay, add it in the catalog builder, because now I put the workflow. I remove the execution plan, I put the workflow, and now I want to make it change in the. So guys, let's do one thing here. Okay, I'm not sure that why it's be fluctuating again. Just get this homework. Okay, create one catalog, one category, and one item. Maybe you can pick up an example: training, restaurant, school admission, class test, parking stickers issue, culture event, and sorry, we'll close this class, guys, quickly now. So to do some practice, I'm going to be write some things in the WhatsApp chat, so you can do the practice. Let me reach out to my customer care for the internet. Okay, but practice this part. And if you have any question, please put into the chat window, and I will reply on the WhatsApp itself. Okay. Any question before we close it? Now it's much stable, so you can ask question if you have any question. Namrata, Pooja, Trevor, Ola, Rajesh. Any doubt? Any question? How's work?
Atul,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I have created a portal yesterday and even checked today as well. So it is not showing like a separate page like a portal. So same link is showing here, like your LNG page is showing. So anyhow, the portal is not showing, which I have created.
Okay. So what is your portal name?
Help yourself.
Yourself. Okay, let me check portal and let's go here. Not sure that how much strong is my connection now. Or number the I can check maybe after some time. Let me
Yeah,
ask to
yeah, yeah.
my
Okay, sure.
okay, it's taking time. Okay, so I'll check and update you on the WhatsApp itself. Just put your question on the WhatsApp chat. I'll check it immediately
Okay,
after
I'll do
this
that.
things has been
Okay, thank you.
working. Because it's showing the poor connection. Not sure why it's a poor connection now. Okay, so but the only recommendation, guys, please do the practice. This is interesting part you can do, and if you want any help, you can just ping me on the group here. Now, okay, now it's back. Connection is back. Let me try to do this part here. Point number. It's loading again. Yep. Okay. You're saying it's showing the same name or the same page. Like, let me open this in the parallel. Yourself. Okay. Portal. Have you checked the basic configuration, the page theme, or the what I can say, indexing and all the things? Have you
Yeah,
copied or have you created your own?
I checked because nothing was updated. Even the title page name is the same. Like it is with LNG, not with the help yourself, something like that. So nothing is updated. I'm not sure what I have done wrong here.
But you created your own the way that we go here, click on the new portal and that way,
Yeah, the same way.
or you copy it from the previous.
No, created a new one. Like do a go to the portal,
I'll
create a new
fill.
title, and edit a page, something like
Okay,
that.
let me open. The reason being maybe you have copy pasted this context or the content.
I'm sorry.
It should wait. Wait, no. Okay, index home page. Let me check here. The border images linked index. Okay. The reason is that one thing which is be important here, Namrata, because you are using the index page.
Hmm.
Okay. The index page contain all these things in itself. Let me change the index page to some other page.
Okay.
Let's say I'm putting the approval page here. And now save. And now load this page. Okay. Now if I do this part, the front end has been changed. because the reason is that the index page contains everything which you are able to see, and you think that it's look like previous to my portal. So now you can see the thing has not changed. Okay. So what you can do if you want to be learned now, open the index page and see the layout that what has been mentioned in that. Let me go here, total configuration, pages here. Let me open quickly. Because index page is given by ServiceNow out of the box. Okay. And if you use the same page, you will find that there's nothing change has been happened. But actually it is something which is available or you're using at your portal. Okay. It's taking
Okay.
again time for me to be load here. Okay. So now let it be quickly load here. Yes, here it's still loading, it's taking time, maybe network connection as well. So open and go to the page designer or the page layout, open the index page. And then you will find that everything you're able to see, it is coming from that page only. If you
Okay.
make a change on the index page, then it will make a change in the complete part. So what I did now for your portal, I moved the index page and used the approval page. So now you can see the front end has been completely changed,
Yeah, now,
right?
yeah. So it is going directly to
Yes,
the approval
because
page, not.
sorry, go
Hmm.
ahead.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, why? Because for your portal, I changed the front page. I removed the index page and I put the approval page. Okay,
So
that is the
even
reason.
even the logo is not showing, and title is not
Ah,
showing.
that is the little problem. I'm not sure that why it's not showing the logo. It should actually show because it's a complete one day. It should show actually. Let me put. But logo is not showing here or some other place. Mm, Let it be load here.
So the image of logo should be on particular format, like either on PNG or GIF or something like that.
No, I
Okay.
no. It as of now, I did not find anything like they have a some different. Do one thing, add the icon as well. Okay,
Icon. Okay.
and try to reload this icon.
Icon.
Put the two
Okay.
different pages.
Okay.
Sorry, two different images. Okay,
Okay.
and then try
Okay. And what should be okay. I think we have lost the
or you have some
connection
other
again.
question.
Yeah. So what should be the home page if we want
I
to
can I
show
can hear
like
you, Namrata.
okay. What should be the home page if we want to show like
It's up to you.
incident?
I'm saying it's up to you.
Okay. 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 I'll try it once
No,
again.
Namrata, it is
Hmm.
up to you.
Okay.
Okay. The thing is that it is totally and totally depend on the customer requirement. Okay.
Okay.
Example, if you open any matrimonial website, where the homepage come, we do a best matching, we have this criteria, or they show you the, if you have any issue, please mention here. So it is up to the customer that what type of homepage they're looking for. Okay, that is the
Hmm.
thing. So now one more thing which I found it here. If you see on this form, this is becoming right, NN.
Hmm.
It show that how many users are on this particular page or this particular form at a given point of time. If maybe So this is something interesting from for the service agent perspective. Let's say I'm a service agent, you also service agent, and I open this form, you also open this incident. I open one incident, you also open the same incident. Then I can ask and ping you and ask that, hey, are you working on this incident? So that I should not work upon that part. So something user experience, to enhance the user experience, ServiceNow give this functionality to us. Out of the trend, but it's important function here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good. So do the practice, guys. Okay, let me stop the recording here. Anything else, Namrata, you want to ask? Rajesh, Pooja, Trevor, Ola, any doubt, any question?
No, then I'm good.
Okay. Good, let me stop the recording here, guys. Thanks.